Hello,
Hello,
everyone.
hello.
Welcome to Global Hack Week. We're super excited to be here.
Hi everyone. Welcome to day 6 at Global Hack Week. Gabriel, how was the Global Hack Week for you? The games week this time.
Pretty good. I really love programming games. So this has been an absolute blast for me getting to work with y'all during my streams as well as catch some other coaches' streams on their games. I loved watching Cecilia's Snake game, and I'm looking to catch up on the rest of them after Global Hack Weekends. So, how's your Global Hack Week been going?
Yep, for me it's been very fun because I did a lot of mini events. We were just playing Scribble before the starting of the stream, so saw a lot of creativity from folks with respect to drawing, how creative they can be, and yep, the Scribble event is something which is very super interactive. It's had a lot of fun, and yep, can't like I always see global hack weeks tend to pass away super fast. It's already day 6 and tomorrow we'll be having a closing ceremony. So it's a good feel. Folks are enjoying.
Yes, it's been a lot of fun so far.
That's
I'd
been
like
the
to,
case.
yes,
Yep,
to
please.
welcome everyone to day 6. We're almost at the finish line. I hope you all have been having just as much fun as the coaches have been this far. But before we get started with kind of like what we did yesterday and what we'll be doing today, we want to introduce ourselves. So you can meet the Emulators.
Yep. Hey everyone, I am Vinayak Rawat. I am a coach at Major League Hacking. I'm someone who loves to play wiki races and Scribble, as I mentioned. And a very fun fact about me that I visited a cricket stadium for the first time in my entire life. I'm someone who loves to follow cricket very much and did visit a stadium for the first time last week. So it's been a good experience.
That sounds like a lot of fun and also very, I guess, like in theme for Games Week is visiting the stadium for the first time. Awesome. My name is Gabriella. I'm also a coach here at Major League Hacking. And a fun fact about me is that I have never been to Seattle, but I was a Tech Together Seattle organizer. And the way that happened was it just happened during 2020 when COVID was happening. So everything was virtual. But I think that's kind of funny that I have never been to Seattle. Awesome.
Correct.
Yeah.
Oh,
All right. um, as far as how yesterday went, I hope you all had a great day. How was your day yesterday?
I guess it's been fun. I was watching a few of the streams yesterday because I guess I not yesterday though, but yep, I was watching a few streams on the track wise streams, which I was following, especially one which was done by Dikshita on Unity. She did run one today at 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So yeah, it's been fun. What about you?
Yes, I had a pretty good day yesterday as well. I started my RNN gaming streams. Like we're using recurrent neural networks to generate different pieces of games. And I also got to catch a little bit of Cecilia's snake stream. So I had a good day as well. Awesome. So here's a little bit of a recap. Here is the stream that I did. We used recurrent neural networks to kind of generate and like world build in games. That was a lot of fun. Here's a screenshot from that.
Next up, we you worked with David on the Python game. Had a lot of fun with him because I also saw there was a lot of good interaction that was happening around David streams. You build games, you had fun because we all have this thing. Because when we were small, we were used to play phone games, and if I specifically talk about me, I was used to get so much excited that how these games are developed. Same goes with the website games which I was used to play. So yeah, I hope you guys had fun.
Yes, that looks like a lot of fun. I love Python games. Awesome. It looks like y'all also built your own version of some classic games. So, Rock, Paper, Scissors was built. So, this looks like a very interesting, I guess, like mapping of the hands and how you would like determine like what was rock, what was paper, what was scissors. This looks pretty cool. And y'all also programmed a command line game. So, if this is a guessing the secret number game, that looks pretty cool as well.
Now, what's actually happening today? We have tons of amazing streams lined up. Although it's the last day at Global Hack Week, but we are up with another amazing technicals and mini events that will be happening throughout the day. Starting out with, if Gabriel wanna take this up.
Yes. So we'll have part two of my game world building with RNN's stream today. We'll be diving a little bit more into the name generation project we were working on yesterday, fine tuning it a little bit before. working on generating a few more characteristics of our individual game characters, and hopefully we'll get to a point where we're creating images as well to go along with the characters. You can join me along for that at 1 p.m. Eastern or 10:30 p.m. IST. That'll be right after Today in Global Hack Week. And if you missed part one, there'll be a recording up on Twitch or YouTube if you want to catch up.
Next up, we'll have Celsia with Snake Breakout Part 3. I did watch Celsia's first stream of the Snake Breakout. It was super, super fun. And as Gabriela said, if you have missed the streams are up on Twitch and YouTube. So you can go and check them out whenever you feel, as per your timing. But again, taking the classical Snake game to the recreation, these games are certain games which we have played throughout our childhood. And there's a amazing fun when we actually create the game we have played. So make sure you join Celsia for the third part, that is at 3 p.m. Eastern Time and 12:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. And in case if it doesn't suit your standard time or time zone, or it's your sleeping time, streams will be up on our social media platforms like Twitch and YouTube, and you can browse them whenever you want.
Yes. Looks like after the Snake Breakout, we'll be having the final part of my game world building with RNNs. This is part 3, the final part. This will be at 7 p.m. Eastern or 4:30 a.m. IST. If you're in IST and it's a little bit too early for you, you're more than welcome to just like watch the recording after the fact. As that goes for anyone who it's a little bit too early, too late, or it conflicts with class schedules. You can check out any of our previous sessions on Twitch or YouTube. It might take a little while for them to get uploaded, but they will get uploaded by the end of Global Hack Week. This will be where we're kind of like rounding out our game world building and building out some narratives as far as like those stories behind our characters and kind of tying those together to build like a cohesive plot line.
And next up, we'll have Alberto with JavaScript Game Development Part 3. If you are even someone who is graduating from college, you know how important JavaScript is. Those interview questions, if you are a front end developer, JavaScript is your go to language. So make sure you join Alberto at 9 a.m. Eastern Time and 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Try to have fun with JavaScript. Try to make more and more games. That is how you're going to get more comfortable with JavaScript. That is how I did it. So I'm super know that with Alberto you're going to find a lot of comfort with JavaScript.
Yes, this is a stream I definitely want to check out after the fact. I love JavaScript, and the screenshots from this game looked really cool. All right, it looks like after that, the only thing we have left in Global Hack Week will be the closing ceremony tomorrow. This will be at 12 p.m. Eastern or 9:30 p.m. IST, and this is where we'll do a little bit of a recap of Global Hack Week, and you can look forward to next month's Global Hack Week. Now that we've kind of gone through the schedule for today, does anyone have any questions? Someone asked, can we get any of the sessions for those who missed previous ones? The answer is yes. They'll be up on Twitch and YouTube. They're not always up right away, but they will be up typically within the day of the stream, and you're able to watch those after the fact, and you can even look through the comments that were going on in the chat as well during that time.
And also, I guess I missed this. If you're looking for the next month Global Hack Week, that is already on. That is scheduled to start next month. That is Global Hack Week API Week. You can just go to gws.mls.io. You'll be getting the schedule for our next Global Hack Week as well. You can go get some points for yourself while registering it, while early registering it.
Yes, and the dates for the next Global Hack Week will be April 5th through the 11th. So the next first week of April, we'll have another Global Hack Week. 404 wants to know thin crust or deep dish pizza. I guess like thick crust. I'm like not quite like Chicago style isn't like my favorite. But I don't like super thin crust isn't my favorite either. So somewhere in the middle, like a thick crust, but not super deep dish.
Okay, to actually answer this question, I would like to answer what is a deep dish pizza.
I think like what they're referring to is like the Chicago style deep dish. I might be mistaken, but it's like a incredibly large pizza. I can find a picture and pull it up real quick if I can. Yeah. Okay.
Deep dish pizza.
Yeah, I can pull up a picture on the stream as well. This is what I was talking about, Chicago style deep dish. This is like a little bit much for me, but like just like a normal thick crust, I enjoy.
I don't know why it looks like to me a piece of
Mhm.
cake, cheesecake. I don't know
Yes,
why.
that's kind of like what it feels like when you're eating it, because
Right.
it's so thick. I feel like I enjoy it for like one slice, but after that, it's a bit much. And they also do the cheese under the sauce for Chicago style.
Okay. If I have to now answer this question, I would like to stick to thin crust because I don't know I was able to finish the whole
Mhm.
pizza even for once. So thin crust for the win.
Awesome. Looks like we have our answers. 404 says, I like the pizza to be a pizza and not a pie. That's an accurate statement. Um,
Okay. I guess someone.
mhm. Or does someone else have a question?
Yep. Uh, what is the final charge to turn into challenges? Our today's challenges are also up for Global Hack Week. I will just share the link, and I guess the last time would be to submit it before the start of closing ceremony, so that you will be liable to earn all the required points.
Yes. Yeah, make sure to get those in before closing. And some of
Someone
the,
said I had a deep dish in Chicago once. It was awesome. I
yes.
guess I should have it if I ever visit Chicago for sure.
Yes, definitely an experience you should have at least once. 404 prefers New York style pizza. I like New York style pizza. You can just fold it up and eat it pretty quickly while you're walking.
Another new term for me. I need to do a Google. New York style pizza. Yep, New York style pizza. Okay, okay, got it. It looks like a normal pizza,
Yes.
not like a pie.
Yes.
Okay, someone asked, how many points do you need to earn a swag for yourself? Okay, I have the best answer for this. Just a second.
Yes, I don't know
Mm,
offhand, so we'll wait for that.
So let me share my screen once. Present, share screen. Global swag. Yeah. Click okay. So if you talk about swag, there are plenty of swags that are been planned for you. So you actually earn a basic swag if you have actually joined our Discord server. You have submitted your address so that we can actually send you swags at your address. If you want to earn bonus swag for yourselves, that is exclusive 5 more sticker, you need to be at the streams. So if you can just go below, this is a sticker pack that you will be getting when you will be actually submitting or taking part in streams, 5 or more than that. And this is an amazing sticker set which you will be getting, because when I saw it for the first time I was like, I want to have all the stickers. So it's for all the stickers that will be, especially this postcard.
That looks cute. I didn't I didn't see that.
I guess Hippo is having a lot of good time at Major League Hacking.
Yes.
Yes, so this will be all, and if you want to also go and visit, that works for you. Make sure you would have checked in so that we know you have took part in the streams, so that we can actually send
Mhm.
you swag.
Yes, I
But I
think
know,
oh, sorry.
yep, please,
Under
please.
the FAQ, I think it tells you a little bit more information about like how many sessions equal swag, but I think if you've gone to like 10 or 15 sessions, you should be at least receiving something for swag.
For definitely, for sure. And he has been a part of all the mini events as well, which I hosted. So amazing swags will
Mhm.
be up here at the doorstep.
All right. Does anyone else have any more questions? I know it's like towards the end of Global Hack Week, so y'all probably have your questions answered so far. But I just wanted to give y'all one more chance to drop any questions you may have in the chat.
And also remember, in case if we switch off the stream and then you get a question, you can always turn up to Discord, create a ticket. Someone from our team will definitely reach out to you, solve your query. So do not need to worry in that case.
Yes. There's plenty of people who are in the Discord who are other hackers or people from MLH who are able to answer your questions after today in Global Hack Week is over. All right, it looks like we don't have any more questions. So if that's the case, it looks like we'll be hopping off to prepare for the rest of the streams for Global Hack Week. But I hope you all had a great time joining in for today in Global Hack Week. Make sure you register with the link we've set above. And happy hacking. We'll see y'all later.
Happy hacking, folks. Take